Hi everyone. I'm just trying to keep myself busy. You know, with what's going on in the world today, it's very difficult to even think about going somewhere in your RV. So I am just staying put, as I'm sure everybody is, staying home, trying to curb the virus from spreading, either through me. I don't believe I'm a carrier. I'm not feeling sick. I haven't felt sick. The people in our family have all been staying put, and none of them show any signs of any illness. So for the most part, we are all well, as I'm hoping that you are all well, staying well, and keeping yourself safe. So I just wanted to show you what I've been up to. This is a residential fridge in my Jayco Seneca. It's a 2019, and I removed, hang on a second, I got so many things going on here. I removed this. I guess it goes like this. This thing in the front, it goes like that, and there's two screws. You have to open the doors to the refrigerator, and there's two screws that you remove, one here and one, did I pass it? No. And one there. So this sits on the inside, and I'll show you how that works. When I was working on a project, I noticed that the refrigerator coils, let me get a flashlight here, was full of dust. I already vacuumed them. See right there? There's some dust on that one I still have to get to. But I went ahead and removed the cover and vacuumed it. So let me go ahead and open up the fridge so you can see where that cover goes. Okay, so I opened up the fridge. So it goes here. You see the screw hole, and it's just two. So once you remove those two screw holes, right there, then you can remove the cover. And this is all the tubing and the wires and stuff. So that's what I've been doing. Again, trying to stay busy. I'll put the cover back on. Also, there is this cover on the bottom of the fridge, and I have removed it. It's held on by 4 screws, 2 on each end, and it comes with these little tabs that you put in the hole after you finish with the screw, and to make it look nice. But I remove it every so often just to check up under there what's going on. So with my removing it often enough, I decided to put just a hidden clip on there. And let's see if I can, so you can see it. Hang on, let me put my phone down for a second. Okay. See, just unclipped. So that's what it looks like. I ordered these on Amazon, and it was quite a bear to put on because, you know, I have really no clue how to do it. The only thing that I can think of is line this up right here, and it has like a little tab so you can just press it up against the edge on either side. And then I got tape. Let me see if you can find a piece. Here you go. And then I got tape, and I rolled it up so it's sticky on all the sides, and I put a little piece of tape on top of here to hold it onto here, and on the back of this plate was this sticky piece, And what happened was, when I pressed it up against here, let me show you how that goes. Okay, so here's another one. It goes like that. Okay, like this. So I put a tape on here to hold it onto this clip and that one here. Just a little piece, just a tiny, tiny bit to hold it in place. And then what I did was, I got the clip and I put this sticky part on here, see? And I set it on here, and with that little thin piece to hold it in place up here and down there, it held it in place. So when I put the cover on, this part stuck perfectly on that, so I can go ahead and just put the screws on here, drill it in, and all is good with the world. So as you can see, it lined up good, and all I have to do is, anyways, let me show you under here real quick. What's under here? Okay, so I just always take a peek under here to make sure that everything is as it should be, you know, that I have no leaks, because here's the tubing for the water for the refrigerator. Now I did notice that there was like a gap right here, a hole, so I went ahead and I got like foam that has sticky on one side, and I just covered it all up. All is good with the world. And I know you notice this up here, that board back there, and this one on the side. Well, the refrigerator was leaning, and I know I mentioned this in another video. The refrigerator needs to have a lean for the door to open, but this lean was so excessive that I was afraid that one good bump and the refrigerator would just be landing under here. So I went ahead and gave it a little bit of a support, and it worked out well. Okay, so let me go ahead and clip this cover back on so you can see how that works. Set this phone down, see if you can see the cover. Okay, so line it up and snap it in place, and all is good. There it goes. Easy off, easy back on. No more fumbling around. So let me go ahead and put these little tabs on here. There's one. There's two. Make it look nice and pretty. Go on the other side. There's the other one. Oh, hang on. It's kind of hard to hold the camera and put it in there. And where's the other one? Here we go. Just put the other one in the hole. Come on, don't be difficult. There you go. All is good. So I'm gonna go finish cleaning the coil really good and put the cover back on, and we're done with this little maintenance project here. All is good. Okay, everybody, thank you for watching. Stay safe. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves, okay? I'll talk to you soon. Bye, everybody.